Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix 8-ball pool unexpected error. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the first thing they want to do is that make sure you are connected to a stable network. Sometimes this problem occurs due to poor internet connection. If your internet connection is stable but you are still facing this issue, it might be due to the cache. After that, long press on it, then you will see the option for app info. Simply tap on over it and you will find the information of the application. After that, find the option for storage and cache, then tap on it and you will be redirected to the storage interface over here. You'll see two options, clear storage or clear cache. Simply tap on the clear cache right over here. After that, your cache will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. But if the issue is still not resolved, what can you do is that try updating the application over here. Open the Play Store. After that, over here you will find the application for 8-ball pool. After that, tap on it, and if your application is not updated, you will see the option for update instead of play. Simply tap on it, and after that your application will be updated. If the problem is still not fixed, what can you do is that try uninstalling and reinstalling the application over here. Tap on the install option and right over here after the install application again. After that your problem should be fixed. So that's how you can fix airball pool unexpected error. That's it.